In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. Curved text is a really simple way to make your designs look more polished and professional, and the best part is that Canva has this feature built in. You don't need any extra software or advanced design skills to do it. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you already have some text added to your page. This can be a heading, a subheading, or a simple body text box. Once your text is on the canvas, click directly on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the toolbar appear at the top of the screen. With the text selected, look towards the top menu for the option labeled Effects. It usually appears above your design along the same bar where you adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Go ahead and click on Effects. This will open a panel on the left or at the top depending on your screen size, showing different text effects you can apply. In the Effects panel, scroll or look through the options until you find one called Curve. This is the tool that will automatically bend your text into a curved shape. Click on Curve, and as soon as you do, you'll see your text bend along an arc. Once the curve is applied, you can usually adjust how strong the curve is using a slider that appears when curve is selected. Dragging the slider to the right will increase the curve, making it more circular, while dragging it to the left will reduce the curve or even flip it, so the text curves in the opposite direction. Take a moment to play around with this until the text follows the exact shape you want. You can still change the font, size, spacing, and color after curving the text, so feel free to experiment. If the curve looks too tight, try increasing the letter spacing or making the text slightly smaller to keep it readable. When you're happy with how it looks, that's it. You've successfully curved text in Canva. You can reuse this technique for logos, badges, labels, or any design where you want text to follow a round shape or frame.